Let's go to Power BI. Opening of Power BI takes some time. As soon as this Power BI opens, I will load some 3 Excel files and 2 CSV files. So you will be learning how to load Excel file and CSV file to your Power BI desktop. So let us start with our favorite Excel. So here, since I have clicked Excel file, only 3 Excel file from this is visible. There are CSV file also in this folder, but it is not visible because we have clicked Excel file only. So let us first load all the files to our Power BI desktop and click load. We are supposed to actually do transform and then load, but I do the other way because that's how I feel comfortable. You can do what is comfortable, but the best practice is to click transform data first and then click load. But I practice load and then transform data. So here I'm going to click open. File number 1. Click all the data and load. To make this thing short, now okay. Most of the time I spend now editing because this Power BI takes time to load and the data is quite big also. I don't blame just Power BI, but people want nowadays all fast. So I'm going to edit it. Okay, file number 1 I loaded. I guess I loaded, yeah. Again Excel, second open, and here also since I have 3 files, apply changes. Totally I have 5 files to load. Okay, again, and this raw sales open, sales law load. Okay, apply changes. So I guess did I? I think I already loaded. That's what's happened when your sales raw. I have already loaded this. Okay, so now I'm going to click a CSV file because I'm bringing data from different places. So 3 were, as I said, was from Excel file and 2 from here. I'm going to click CSV file. Now I'm going to click connect. This is comma separated files and I'm going to load. Okay, so I have a lot of edit to do to make these things fast. So now the CSV file is getting loaded. Here you go. CSV file, the second file I'm going to load. So I loaded all data and now it's time for us to start cleaning the data. We will go to Home tab, we will go to data view and then go to transform data. Once you go to transform data, let us see, we are in orders now. Let us see what we have: row ID, order date, ship mode. All this data looks nice. We will review all this data again. So let us see overview. Okay, here I see column 1 and column 2. In fact, this column header should be person and region. So let us go to use first row as header. We will click. Now our header is person and region. And we can either go and close and apply, again come back, or maybe we will go here. Here also same problem. We have column 1, column 2, column 3. We will use first row as header and clean it. So here we can edit what we did, rename, use first row as. So if we do all this, edit, and we know what after 6 months when we come, we know what exactly we did here. So if you edit right now, you remember after 6 months you might not remember what you did 6 months ago. So better to edit what corrections you did here. So now let us go to pin code geo. So we don't have problem here. Okay, order ID and everything looks okay. Okay, here we again have problem. Column 1 and column 2. Now you know what we should be doing. Okay, so now let us see. So now everything looks somewhat okay. So we will click close and apply. So now we have here, we don't before cleaning we used to see column 1, column 2, column 3, and now we see all the names only, no column name 1 and column 2 and something like that. Let us review, did all the corrections that we applied really Power BI worked on it and corrected it? It looks like it did work on and corrected what we did. So sometimes I always review things for future, what I did. Again I review, okay, did BI is doing its job properly or not. That's my habit. Let us see what next we have to do. So let us go here, pin code geo, and here we will go to transform data. So let us see pin code. Everything looks okay. There is no blank thing here. Let us check in city. All looks good here. There is no blank. Let us see here. It looks like I have too many blanks here. So I have to delete blanks. Okay. So, okay. I clicked a wrong thing. See, sometimes when you're in a hurry, you do so. Let us see, did I click the right thing? Let us see, is there any blank? It doesn't. So here I'm going to edit, rename, removed PLA and KS blanks in zone. So you remember what you did after 6 months. Okay, now we can go close and apply. So let us go here again transform data. Raw city tire. Let us see if there is any blank. No, we don't have any blank here. Let us see here. So here we have something called metro. Let us see what it means. We don't have city tire and metro. Okay, only metro. We have so many metro. Okay. Okay, I think city tire 1 and 2, city tire 3 and others we will keep. We will delete metros. So I think we deleted all metros here. So after 6 months, as you know, rename deleted media or metro, deleted metro. So you know what you did. Close and apply. And click refresh. I have developed a habit of clicking refresh because sometimes it happens that you don't get the right data what you expected. So if you develop that habit, it's good for you. So let us see, do I have metros now? Okay, it doesn't look I have any metros now, and I don't have any next, which pin code geo we changed. Let us see, where is pin code geo? Pin code geo. So let me see. So okay, everything looks good. Is the modeling, how things are connected. As soon as you put data in your Power BI, the Power BI with its own artificial intelligence connects with each other. Sometimes it is, most of the time, 90% of the time, the connection that is established by Power BI is correct. Sometimes it is not. So it is better for us to view again the relationship that is established by Power BI using its artificial intelligence. Let us see what relation region and region are connected. That's okay. So you have to take your cursor to the arrow mark and figure out how it is connected. So sales raw is connected from product ID to raw product ID. This looks okay. So pin code is connected to pin code. So here now I see almost some are connected to each other. I don't see this order is connected to any of the other tables. And I don't see this connected to any of the tables. So let us first establish a relationship between module 3 raw city tire to pin code geo city. I think in future we have to establish relationship on this also. But right now I will do this city to city relationship. Okay, I will do it again. It is? Okay, good. Let us see the properties. How does this looks? Okay, so pin code, city, zone, city and city tier. Okay, so this pin code geo and raw city tier is connected to each other by this column, city and city. And this is many to one and one way, not both, single way. Relationship has been established by us. This looks good. Now let us go to our sales raw table. Here we see units sold and here we see cancelled units. So if we give revenue without subtracting the cancelled units or units returned, we will not get a perfect revenue. So we are going to subtract units minus cancelled unit to get net units. And how are we going to do that? We are going to use DAX function. We are going to click here and click new column. So when the new column pops up, we will write DAX function, that is net underscore units is equal to sales raw units minus sales raw cancelled units. So this is the DAX formula, which is simple. We are going to use this to find out the net units. So here we see all 1 because 1 minus 0 is always 1, but below we do have some, let me see, everywhere I see 1 1 1 1. Okay, let me see. Yeah, we do have returns 1 2 3 4 5 6. So these are the units that are returned. So this is how we get net unit. We are going to split. Go to transform data. Go to raw city tier and then go to split column by delimiter. Here we are splitting column. Here we want only city, not country. And what? Select and enter delimiter. What is the separation thing? Is comma. So here Power BI has itself detected that the delimiter is comma. There are many other also. You can click here and find equal sign, semicolon, space, tab, all this. But our Power BI has selected the right thing, comma, and we'll click OK. So now we have city and this is actually country. We will change the name. Where is rename? No, we have to double click and change the name. Let us say only city. Okay. Now we will change this also, because this is country, not city. So let us double click and say country, country. And then apply, close and apply. So now the edit has been visible only city and country. Do how to split column using split column. Now I'm going to teach how to split column using DAX function. For that, let us begin by going to transform data and go to, let us rename this as city port. And here also let us go and rename this as city alt and click close and apply. BI finishes updating my changes. I will create a new column and write a DAX function to split a column. Okay, let me tell you, for me, it's easy to split a column using a split column. DAX function is difficult. It will take time for people to learn how to write a DAX function. Anyhow, I'm going to write a DAX function to split a column. Let us say city is equal to, what happened? Okay, left function. So here I took left function and let me go to city alt and put a comma. Again, let me use a find function I was just waiting, please God, don't give me error here, please don't give me. So I was lucky, I guess. My DAX function worked it right. So here now I have done this formula, and now I will go to, where is my geo? Okay, where is my product geo? Pin code geo. Where is my pin code geo? Let me see. Pin code geo. So here I'm going to write the same uh, same formula from DAX function. As I said, whenever I type a DAX function, I'm always waiting, do I get error? So let's finger crossed that I type a correct function with zero errors. So don't be shocked that okay, again same thing, I did not get error, so I typed the right DAX formula. So this is how you do DAX formula and split the column. As I said, new column split is my work on finding out the order date, order day of the week. Let us go to sales and new column. So we are trying to see order day of the week. So we will write our DAX formula, order day of week is equal to sales raw order date, sales raw order date dot so now we will get order day of the week. Now again we will go to sales raw and click new column, and we will try to find out week start date. We will type week start date. We will use the format function, index, sales raw order date. We will click minus weekday. There is a weekday function that we are going to use. Sales raw order date, comma 2, bracket closed, Okay, by mistake. See, it is telling I made a mistake. Instead of putting comma, I put full stop. So the see, our intelligent sense told me, oh, see, instead of putting comma, you put full stop, which is wrong. So when you see red, something underlined with red, you have to view what mistake I did. I made a mistake of typing full stop instead of comma. So let us see now week start date. Okay, see, I made a mistake. Welcome to the mistake. What did I? The following sentence during invalid line 1 offset order date 2. Okay, here you go. Okay, see, I did not closed this. Okay, see, it's wrong. Order date, comma. Okay. See, I made a mistake. It is telling you have error. See, I have so many. That's why I said I do a lot of mistake when typing text. Mostly it is with the opening and closing of brackets. Yes, see, I have put two. This also is going to be wrong because I have two brackets. Sorry, friends. I type. I think I. God. Where did I make mistake? Let me do that. Somewhere I made a mistake. Oh God. Okay, I corrected it. It was just about the brackets. I unintentionally put a wrong bracket somewhere else. So this is how it happens when you make a mistake. You have to figure it out where you added extra brackets, where you forgot to put brackets, and the intelligent sense of Power BI tells you where you made mistakes. So now this is how it works. Thank you for watching, and if you liked my cleaning data, please subscribe to my